everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Riti, currently working as a software engineer, and I'm quite active on social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, where I do upload content on tech, interviews, placements and much more. So today I'm announcing the most awaited, or I can say the most requested series, that is the operating system series. Now the very first question which would be coming to your mind is, why do we even need to learn about operating system? So operating system, being one of the most important core CS subject, is always asked in semester exams, placements, interviews, even in the online exams as well. So it would be very helpful if you have great depth knowledge about operating systems. Now in this particular series, I'll be covering operating system from the very beginner till advanced, so that after watching this series, you gain some confidence in operating system. We will be covering theoretical as well as practical concept in this particular series. So let's just know that what are all the contents or what are all the modules which we will be covering as part of this series. So these are all the modules which we will be covering as part of this series. So the very first module is Introduction to Operating System. Now as part of this module, we will be learning on what is operating system, types of operating system like real time, time sharing, batch, distributed, embedded and much more. Then we will be learning about functions and goals of operating system. Post that we will be learning about system calls and then different levels like user level and kernel level. Now coming to the second module, that is process management. So as part of this module, we will be learning about process state diagrams, how process goes from one state to another state. Then we will be learning about some scheduling algorithms, that is shortest job first search, then you can say round robin, then you can say priority and much more. Now coming to the third module, that is process synchronization and inter-process communication. So consider if there are two processes that is coming at the same time. So how the inter-process communication happens, how the process synchronization happens. So as part of this module, we will be learning about semaphores, we will be learning about mutex, we will be learning about critical section problem, and then we will be solving some common problems on synchronization such as producer-consumer problem, reader-writer problem and much more. Then the fourth module is deadlocks. Now as part of deadlocks, we will be learning on how the deadlock happens, what are the conditions for the deadlock to happen, how we can avoid the deadlock, basically the banker's algorithm and much more things. Now coming to the fifth module, that is memory management. So as part of this module, we will be learning about paging, we will be learning about segmentation, we will be learning about different types of page replacement algorithms. Then we will be learning about virtual memory and much more. Now coming to the next module, that is file system. So as part of this module, we will be learning about file system structure. Then we will be learning about allocation and access of file system and much more things. Now coming to the next module, that is storage management. So as part of this module, we will be learning about disk scheduling algorithms and types of disk scheduling algorithms like scan, C-scan and much more. Then coming to the next module, we will be learning about mostly input-output system, input-output device drivers and much more. Now coming to the last module, we will be learning about security and protection. In this module, we will be learning about some different threats like worms, viruses and much more. So these are all the modules which we will be covering as part of this series. In each module, there will be a lot of topics. We will be covering every theoretical as well as practical topics. So if you are kind of excited for this series, I'll really love to know about your excitement. Also, I'll really love if you guys can start the series with me. Do upload your progress, do upload your learnings on the social media platform, do provide some feedbacks for this series so that we can learn and grow together. So this was all about this video. I hope you like this video. So if you like this video, please hit the like button. If you're someone who is new to my channel, can go ahead and watch out the tech content first. And if you find it useful, can go ahead and subscribe. Also, if you have not followed me on my social media handles, you can go ahead and follow. The links are in the description. Till then, take care, keep learning, keep growing, keep smiling. Bye all.